Hello friends, we are back with another recipe, kharbasa polo. Kharbas doesn't require fermentation, so it is an instant breakfast recipe for any lazy day. This is a healthy dosa which has the light amount of carbohydrates, protein and vitamins in it because of the healthy ingredients present in it. So let's see how to make this konkani recipe. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from us. To make this polo, the ingredients required are 1 cup of idli rice, half a teaspoon methi seeds, 1/4 cup of urdi dal, 2 to 3 dry red chili, pinch of turmeric powder, whole black pepper half teaspoon, jeera half teaspoon. Salt as per taste. Firstly, in a bowl we are taking rice, urdi dal and methi seed and soaking all this ingredient in water for about 3 to 4 hours. In a mixer, add the rice, dry red chili, turmeric powder, whole black pepper and jeera and grind it until you get a dosa batter consistency. Add salt to the batter and mix well. This dosa batter is ready to use as it doesn't require any fermentation. Preheat the tawa and add 2 ladle full of batter. Spread the batter and allow it to cook for some time. Once the kharbas is done on one side, flip it and allow it to cook on the other side as well. Your hot and crispy kharbas is ready. You can have it along with shredded coconut or chutney or sambar, anything of your choice. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day and keep smiling.